This is the halo view. I am going to be putting it on, and it's right here. I got it in this lavender colorway. It does come in other colorways like black, and I believe it comes in a green. Here we have the halo band. So this is the update to the halo band. And the halo band, we had tried it and we used it for quite a long time. My wife's actually favorite fitness app tool is the halo band. Why? Because this will come with labs, it comes with body composition, sleep, tone of voice, activity, and halo membership. I'm not focused on losing weight. What I am focused on is getting back in shape. And the halo view allows me to do that. Because here is the unit. And this is the new updated strap versus the old strap, which had no screen. This has the new AMOLED display. You want to hit the power button. The power has a touch display on the bottom, and you can get all your features right there. We're going to go back to main menu. You get your basic apps, and it is affordable. But the best thing about the Halo, and then you're like, what's the difference between the two other than the screen? Why would I consider this over a Fitbit Charge? Why would I consider this over a Garmin? Why would I get this over a Samsung or an Apple or any of the other watches? Well, the main comparative advantages are affordability. It comes with a 1-year subscription to Halo Fitness. So if you're trying to get back in shape and you are looking for a premium experience, and you're looking for something that they teach you what to do. So basically, you have all of the tools with you. It's right here in the Halo app. So let's show you what the Halo app looks like. So let's look. Here is your information. And if you type in data, this is the data, right? This is the data you see. So I have my data, sleep, movements, body composition. It gives you a lot of activity scores. I mean, this is very, very comprehensive how they do this. It's very comprehensive. This is one of the better fitness apps that you can get right now. I mean, I'm using it and it is pretty comprehensive at that. But if you do this, I'll show you the 2 key features. So right now we're going to do the tonal analysis. So if I do tonal analysis, this is analyzing my tone and going to rate where I am right now and what I sound like. So you can see that the thing is moving there, and that is just indicating what my tone is. So I'm going to sound, this is just how I sound on a normal basis. I think that today is Wednesday, January the 5th. And we are going to go for it today. We're going to do exercise. So if you are getting back into your New Year's resolution, come join us because I'm showing you how it works on the Halo view and the Halo band. But the best feature, I think, is actually right here. If you've not used these videos in combination with your app and the reminders in the ecosystem, it's kind of like having a personal trainer that lives in your house. Because if you're like, oh, I don't want to exercise, you set that notification, it's going to remind you to exercise. And you can do your New Year Fresh Starts programs. You got your New Year Fresh Starts, you got your Deep in Your Practice, which is your yoga. You got all these recipes. And the great thing about doing a recipe on the Halo is that you can add the shopping list and the items directly to your shopping list on your Alexa, and then you can just go to the supermarket and just have your shopping list without having to add it manually. So that's really cool. But we're going to do a workout today. So we're going to do a workout today. I'm going to click on fitness. So we're going to click on fitness. There's sleep too, and then there's nutrition. But for me, I'm going to pick, there's mindfulness, and then there's tone. So there's a lot of stuff you can do in the app. There's a lot of stuff you can do. But fitness is the best part for me because inside fitness, these are all routines and they have actual programs that you can do with them. And they go let's say you do a 30-day program, there's a video for all 30 days on some of these. So we're going to do, which one should we do? We have 25-minute upper body. We got fresh starts. Okay, here we go. Let's do 25-minute upper body. So I'm going to be doing 25-minute upper body. So how do I do that? I'm going to get started. Here's the video that's going to start playing. Here's the video that starts playing.
Welcome to your strength workout today. I'm Michael Hildebrand. Thank you for joining me for this one.
I'm playing it on the Tray Lab.
The structure on this, the roadmap on this workout is a little bit different. We're gonna.
So
Nice.
here,
One more. Oh, I might have done an extra rep there. Excellent. Great job. Okay, we got 15 seconds of recovery. So let's shake those legs out
15
for a
seconds
second.
of recovery.
I've got 15
So again,
seconds.
we are working out with
Whatever
the
you have,
Halo
finish strong.
app.
If you've been done already,
This is the Halo
cool.
app.
Let's take a breath together.
I
Inhale
got my
through the nose.
Halo band recording all of my progress.
Deep
We're getting our
exhale.
pump on.
Excellent. All right, we're going again. Here we go. In 3.
Here we go. One more
2,
time.
1. Here we go. Let's do 6. Remember,
6.
elbows need to stay high on these front squats. All right.
2,
Good.
3, 4,
5.
5.
I'm taking another rep from you. That's all right.
6.
You're welcome. Bonus reps, right? Here we go. 6 lunges. Right leg coming out into this nice squat position. Use your arms. I want to see some good, efficient movement here.
Use your arms.
Excellent. Nice and deep. Beautiful job. 6. Here we go. Left side. I love these EMOMs. It's such a great way to get that ton of volume in without really even realizing it, you know? You're like, oh, 6 reps, that's it? Okay, cool. But
So we're
then
doing the
you know,
workout
3
at
5
home
rounds. Here we go. 6
using the
rounds.
Halo View, Halo app.
Ends up being a 7. Great job.
Okay.
All right.
Well.
Quick breath. Going right into minute 4. Inhale.
All right. So you can see how interactive this the app makes it. So let me just share with you, if you're looking, what I'm just trying to share is that on the Halo app, this is the actual content video that you're going to be having access to. So you might say, well, that's cool and all. What if I don't want this guy? Okay. Well, you have, how many you want? You have your options. These are all programs, and they all go for weeks. Some go for months, where you can do all of this in the app. Let's go check our blood oxygen here, if I can press that. So it says tighten band and slide toward elbow for snug fit. So here we go. We're going to start. So now it's checking my blood oxygen levels. Checking my blood oxygen levels. Checking, and you can see how it checks. It kind of does a light show in between your wrists. And this allows me to figure out and give me the data so I can recharge and refuel, so I can measure my sleep, I can measure my meditation, I can find recipes all in that sub that you get for 1 year for free while having the data, so I know my activity points, my on-demand blood oxygen, my stress levels, my tone, and my body fat composition. So right now my blood oxygen is about 95%, which is good, which is very, very good right here. Very, very good. So I think as a user of this, I think it's super easy. If you're wondering how do you charge it, it's also very simple. All you got to do is just plug it into the accompanying charger. So here's a charger clip. You're just going to be attaching this here, and then you plug it into your USB, and this. So now you can see that it is charging, and now you have to charge into my port. And in terms of overall size, if you look at the overall size between this and the Halo band, there's a big difference. There's a big difference. What the difference is now. Halo band, no screen. Halo View with a screen. 1 year, right now you got 1 year of full access Halo membership, 6 months on the Halo band. Other than really the AMOLED color display, they both come with the tracking, sleep tracking, SpO2 monitoring, body composition, body temperature, tone analysis, but the tone analysis here is going to be using the Halo app. So you use your phone for the tone analysis here. On the Halo band, you're going to be using it with the built-in mic. So there's a mic in here. Now they both come with 50 meters of water resistance, 7 days of battery life, and they come in slightly different colors. Your View will come with active black, lavender dream, sage green, black, silver, and rose gold blush. So this is more of a two-tone. But I like them. I think for the value you get, the View is an exceptional value because it's giving you exactly what you want, but you get that 1 year of free subscription. You get a 1 year free subscription to your the Halo the activity app from Amazon, and that kind of makes it like the icing on the cake.